everyone, welcome to Sew Aldo. In today's video, I am going to share with you the sewing patterns that I use for this beautiful dress set. A lot of you guys was asking which sewing patterns I use for this dress are actually very basic. So basic bodice blocks, half circle skirt, and the same thing for the jacket. It's super simple. So let's talk about the skirt. It is a half circle skirt. I have a tutorial on this on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I had been using this for a long time. A lot of my dresses are half circle skirt because I like the way it looks and it flatters my shape really well. So I like it so much. This pattern is very versatile. You can shorten it, you can extend it. It's very useful. And by the way, if you are wondering what type of paper I use, it is called postal paper. Also painting paper, I believe, because I got this at a hardware store like Lowe's, and they have this in the painting section. See, I had been using this for years and it's still in one piece, thankfully. So that's that. Let's talk about the dress bodice. This is my bodice slopers, or some call it bodice blocks. So this is the back and this is the front. Body is not flat, you need to shape it. So that's why there is shoulder darts and there is side darts and waist darts. I transferred it to another piece of paper because this is really my my main block. So I use this if to trace different style. Okay, so I traced that out to a different piece of paper. So that's the difference. As you can see, the shoulder, the neckline are different. So I removed the shoulder darts. And then I just recently started adding side darts and I actually really like it. So I didn't know why I was skipping it before. I wasn't doing it right before. Before, when I will do side darts, it will just make the bust very pointy and I didn't like that look. But then there was a problem. The neckline is always gaping. So now I can put this away. This is really the sewing pattern that I use in a lot of my sewing projects. As you can see, the neckline is already been folded a few times because I made a V-neck dress. I use the same, the same one. I just do that. So for this one here, as you can see, I just simply lower it, trim it like this, lower the neckline by about 2 inches to create the square neck. So that's it. It's super easy. So the back looks like this. Okay. So I also removed the shoulder darts. I made the shoulder narrow, and then I made the arm side a little deeper, and I made the bodice shorter. So I like my dresses high-waisted just because it makes me look balanced, because I do have long torso and short legs. So by doing high waist, it kind of balanced me out that my torso is not that long and my legs are not short. You can see here, it's actually on curve. That's how I got rid of that extra fabric. It is bunching up at the back. Trimming the bodice, as you can see, this is about 2 inches. It's totally up to you. You have to test it out, okay? So 2 inches on the center fold and then 1 inch, and then I just kind of curve it, and that's how I got rid of that bunching fabric at the back. And then I also kind of taper the side seam, as you can see. So that's that. That's the changes I made for the back. So for the jacket, I have 3 pattern pieces. The jacket, it's also based off of these sewing patterns, all right? The basic bodice blocks. But I extended it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did. I mean, it's super easy. I just simply extended it on the side seams and the length. That's all I did. Okay, and then of course the placket. As you can see, it's the same, but it's longer. Okay, so I simply extended the side seam to make it boxy. Instead of tapering like this, I just straighten it like that. Okay, and then the hemline, it's extended by 2 inches. Okay, and really it's up to you. You will have to test it out, but to me, if you want to get the crop jacket look, 2 inches is perfect. okay, to extend it and then make it boxy. And then of course you're going to add 2 inches here for the placket, okay? So this is the placket, so 2 inches from there. So you will need 2 pieces, of course, because we will have buttons, but extended by 2 inches. The back is going to be cut on fold because it is 1 piece. Okay, so I simply, as you can see, the side seam is tapered. I just kind of drew a straight line to make it boxy, and then extended by 2 inches. Okay, and then of course you're also going to create a neck facing. So your neck facing is very simple, all right? So I did 2 inches, 2 inches neck facing. So you're just simply tracing 2 inches from the shoulder and from the neckline. You're just going to trace it like this. Same thing for the front, 2 inches from the shoulder and then 2 inches from here, and you're just going to create a neck facing like this. Okay, so you will need 2 pieces for the front. And lastly, basic short sleeve pattern. Okay, this is super easy. I mean, if you want a longer one, you can just simply extend it. I actually plan on making a longer version of it because I actually received a woolen fabric that is going to be perfect for fall and winter, so I may just do that. I'm so excited. I also love the print. I think it's going to be perfect, but that's going to be for my fall sewing project. But right now, let's just enjoy spring and summer. We don't have basic bodice blocks yet. I mean, it is actually very easy to do. I mean, if you search on YouTube, there's a lot of seamstress and designers that post tutorials for those things. But if you don't want to, this is my pattern recommendation. It's not half circle skirt, but it is similar. If you don't have basic bodice blocks yet or slopers, you can use this. Okay, that's it, you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to follow, likes, and share. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, thanks so much again for your support. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!